narito sa grade 1. Grade 1 pupils. Tapos grade 2 na sila. Si Tyra, ang batang Englishera.
33 kindergarten pupils, 23 males and 10 females who have satisfactorily completed the requirements of K-10 curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education, Caraga Administrative Region, Surigao City Division, District 2, Republic of the Philippines.
Ma'am City Aina S. Pandapatan. As a grade 1 teacher advisor, I hereby accept your 33 kindergarten pupils, 23 males and 10 females who have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-10 curriculum, Caraga Administrative Region, Surigao City Division, District 2, Republic of the Philippines. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, the kindergarten completers, you may now take your bow and congratulations.
Again. 1, 2, 3.
Wala na sunod ba? Hindi na.
Daram, dito ka mamaytay na to. Mamaytay na to. Doon nabali doon, nauna nga ako ng mga bata. Pero pag pagtawag nauna pa, pagkasama di badla sa bata.
And now let's proceed to grade 1 Maunawain under the advisory of Miss Lara J. P. Lapuente. Almiana Kian P. Baguanga James Eran P. Maradelio Zenon Isaiah F. Barteos Phil C. Georgina James Junior D. Jacob Richard A. Gregory John Kyle A. La Castilla Ryanson E. Shahana J.D. E. Sultan Hassanor C.